get started, I wanted to talk a little bit about my skin journey because everyone has a different one. I've learned that it's not only what you put on your face, but it's also what you put on your body that affects your skin. It's taken me a long time to learn, but I have, and now I'm ready to share all my secrets with you guys. Don't worry, I will be linking all the products down below in the description. You know what's also in the description? That subscribe button, because guess what? Emma's back, and I cannot wait to see what you guys put in the comments for what you want for my next video, so be ready. Okay, so the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I wash my face with water. For me personally, washing my face with actual cleanser is too harsh in the mornings, so I just use some good old water. So because it's summertime and it's really hot and dry, I like to give myself a little bit of extra love, and I use this rose water spray. The reason I choose this rose water spray instead of Mario Badescu is the ingredients in this are so good. Let me find it. It's literally just water and rose water, whereas Mario Badescu has all these chemicals. So I just spray it a couple times on my face. Okay, so the next step in my morning routine is my face roller. I'm at a hotel, so I'm using an ice bucket, but usually I keep it in my freezer, and every morning when I wake up, I go to my freezer and I get my ice roller. I bought this off Amazon, so cheap, and it's super simple. You just roll your face in upward motions because you don't want to drag your skin down. It really wakes you up because it's so cold. So upward motions, and I do across the forehead, down the nose, and then I always get my neck. Because when I'm older, I want to have a nice neck. And so I do upward motions with the neck as well. I got this ice roller on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. I'm a huge believer in eye cream. I've been using it my entire life. Just like a pea-sized bit. And I tap around my eyes. And I always get my eyelids as well, because your eyelids get dry too. I'm using Rodan and Field's Active Hydration Eye Cream. Next, I moisturize, and I get all over, and then I blend in. And once again, always get that neck. I use Elta MD AM Therapy. You can get it on like Amazon. I'll put the link in the description as well. Okay, I've really just started hopping on board with like the whole sunscreen train. I didn't realize how important it was for your skin to stop you from getting wrinkles. I'm using Rodan and Field's Oil Control Lotion with 20 SPF. Okay, this next thing is my new obsession. Can you see that? They come in like these little tubes, I guess, because there's no preservatives. And it gives you that, you know, like that tingling sensation that it's working, plumping and moisturizing. The boys from Queer Eye taught me this next trick. I'm using Daisy Marc Jacobs little spray perfume. I just spray on my wrist and rub it in. And then they taught me the spray, delay, and sachet move. Okay, so first you spray, you let it fall, and then you sachet through it. Spray, delay, sachet. Now that I'm back and better than ever on YouTube, and I'm listening to you, I'm going to be posting exactly what you guys want. So hit that subscribe button and leave comments for what types of videos you want to see next. So I would like it if you guys would leave comments if you guys would leave comments on what you want for my next video. No. Leave comments for what you... Oh my god, no. Leave comments for what you want in my next... No!